So Centennial AHEC has been around since the 70s, and really the root of our mission goes back to really impacting the health outcomes of northeastern Colorado. And that's done in various ways, and mostly through connecting existing and future medical professionals and our communities with resources and education.
AHEC has been part of the Nurse Educator Conference for over 30 years. It began with nurse educators wanting to create a forum to have those discussions about nursing education. And we run this event every year. We provide a lot of continuing education credits and different sessions that people attend to learn the newest in nursing education. But we also try to provide them those tools to take home and what can I implement in my classrooms or in the clinical setting to further the education for the students.
The sessions I've enjoyed, it's been a little bit overwhelming because of all the information you get, but it is wonderful information. I'm going back with a load of information to take back with me to actually see if I can incorporate it into my grant.
Part of our work at AHEC is evaluating and understanding what is important to our communities, and then helping to educate and address on those topics. And we recognize that mental health is so much more than just seeking out resources and support when you're struggling. It's about connecting with the people and tools to have a happy and fulfilled life. And that's the conversation that we really want to bring up with the Be Mindful It Matters exhibit. So many of the pieces were created in tandem with partners throughout our community and across our region. And so it's really a look into the voice of Northern Colorado and what they think mental health is and what they think is important when we're discussing mental health.
Just having somebody that looks at you as a person and treats you as a person is one of the best medicines that there is. Society has this tendency of putting you're either good or you're bad, or you're nice or you're mean, and they don't want to stick that label the entire time. Everybody goes ups and downs and changes.
The focus area for the Compassionate Care Initiative is a focus on a huge need in the healthcare industry to better address care for people with Alzheimer's and dementia, because there is such a growing population of people who will be diagnosed with Alzheimer's and dementia. So there are better approaches to care and communication for someone with dementia that many in the healthcare community are not aware of. So what we aim to do to try to make healthcare and diagnosis more successful for our care providers is to train people with a nuanced approach to effective communication and strategies for interacting with a patient with Alzheimer's or dementia.
As an AHEC, we are dedicated to building and supporting our future health providers. And a big part of that is our free summer camp, where we take our students down to explore and practice and learn about various health careers.
It was this camp that allowed students to see a whole bunch of different types of medical occupations, and then learn more about them as to how you can get there, how you can become a doctor, a nurse. And this camp allowed me to be able to connect with doctors, nurses, epidemiologists in a personal way and understand their journey and see how that aligned with my journey and my values and beliefs.
So one of the other roles that we play in our community is that we host 2 of several regional health connectors throughout the state who really are out there working in the clinical space along with academic partners and communities to really pull all of those needs together. And honestly, that's where we get some ideas for the projects that we do. So as you can see, really what the Centennial Area Health Education Center is here to do is pull everybody in to make a better healthcare environment for northeastern Colorado. So whether you're a student looking for a healthcare career or a healthcare professional seeking some continuing ed or enhancement of your skills, that's really what we're here for, is to make everybody's job easier and better so that we're all a better community and healthier community.